Hello, friends all over the world, American, British, India, and Pakistan, and Turkey also. Friends, have a great and successful day. I am Safdar, and you are watching Business Ideas with Safdar Abbas. And today's this is the day one chart of gold. My analysis, the trend is still is on buy, and this is my center, my analysis 1874.39. If the market cross of this level, guys, they can touch 1888 resistance, and if the cross of this level, the finally for today for 20 May is 1908. And if the visit is the resistance market 1861 and 42 is the final of hairs for today. Take care, stop loss and money management, guys. Thank you very much. Have a great and successful day.